Welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, my name is Jan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Toggle. And today we're going to take a deeper dive into one of the many insights generated by Toggle Copilot across thousands of US equities. Really what we're trying to do here is break down the barriers between all of those fundamental variables that a lot of investors sometimes don't necessarily know how they might impact stock price and so on. So Toggle will do that on your behalf. Today, the focus is going to be on Square. For those of you who'd like to see these insights more often, please sign up to our YouTube channel, or else you can go to toggle.global and actually test drive Toggle Copilot for free. The focus, as I mentioned, is going to be on Square, and what you can notice here is that we had an earlier highlight that there could be some positive momentum brewing in this particular stock, which has now been compounded in the most recent insight that's now highlighting potentially additional 5% very short-term upside in Square. Now the way to take and look at the details is to click on this particular card and then try to better understand exactly what it is that Toggle has been able to uncover in this case. First thing to note is the little description at the top is saying that the upside here is about 5% over the following month, which is informed by the past analogs, past experience, and Toggle was able to analyze 5 similar occasions where similarly there's been a combination of momentum and a couple of technical analysis indicators like there are now, and this was the experience. Now, the starting price of 216.20 would see the stock price rise to 227.81. Again, as always, you want to see the price remain somewhere inside this interval and certainly not dip below the red line where the odds of the bounce still being underway and momentum being the key driver would have diminished significantly. And as you can also see, although there is a 1-month horizon that's shown here, in many cases the price actually broke through that level much sooner, so it could be as soon as a week or two. Why might it move? What's the driver behind it? Well, this is the combination that Toggle has noticed, which is when you have 6-month momentum starting to build up from zero as you have here, and then at the same time have potentially a recovery or a bounce in the 12-week MACD, which is a favorite technical indicator by those of you who follow this. You've typically seen, as you can see here, quite a good reaction from the stock itself. Past performance also suggests that actually the returns were quite decent, but very notably, and this is in part why this insight has 6 rather than 8 stars, the downside when it did break through that red line and outside of the interval was really quite meaningful. In fact, it could be as much as 20%. So it underlies the importance of risk management and really sticking to the levels to potentially remove the stock from your portfolio and come back if it's not behaving the way we obviously think that it could do as under the power of momentum and the technical indicators. So this is as much as we have to say about Square today in the daily brief that you should already have received. We'll discuss some further interesting market content, and for those of you who subscribe to it, you should already have it in your mailboxes. For those of you who don't, please sign up at toggle.global and you'll receive a daily dose of market commentary as well as also relevant, exciting new market ideas on a daily basis. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you again on Friday.